Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can switch on the firewall on macOS, and that too after the macOS Big Sur new update. So guys, the Big Sur update is here. If you also want to update your macOS Catalina to macOS Big Sur, then refer the link in the description of this video. Now let us see how we can easily switch on firewall. After logging to macOS Big Sur, click on the Apple sign, click preferences, system preferences. Herein guys, you need to click on security and privacy. Herein guys, you can see journal, file vault, firewall and privacy is visible. Obviously we need to go to firewall, click on the tab. It is switch off right now, turned off. I'll just click on the lock to make changes because it wants our password. Clicked on it. Now enter the password. Click on unlock. Now guys, turn on firewall option is enabled. Click on it. We have turned it on. It will now prevent unauthorized applications, programs and services from accepting incoming connections. Let's click on the options and see it. Firewall options. Screen sharing, it is allowing all incoming connections. It will also allow signed software, downloaded signed software to get received. If you want to disable it, you can just click on it. If you want to block all incoming connections, just click on the following option. Okay, I'll just uncheck it and keep the same. Click on OK. So we have turned it on. If you want to turn off, just click on turn off firewall here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily switch on firewall on our macOS system, especially after the Big Sur update. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.